Welcome to Learning Chords. On today's episode, we're going to go over the Cadential 6/4, what it is and how you can use it in your music. Let's get started. The Cadential 6/4 is a tonic chord in second inversion and is found at the end of sections of music because it gives a strong cadence. A Cadential 6/4 does not function like a normal tonic chord due to the inversion. It is always followed by the dominant chord, which resolves to the actual tonic chord. So at the end of a phrase, it goes Cadential 6/4, dominant, tonic. In the key of G major, the tonic chord is G. A G major in second inversion means the note D is the bass note. This is followed by the dominant chord, D, which resolves to our tonic. You will know if you are building a Cadential 6/4 correctly because a tonic chord in second inversion shares the same root note as the dominant chord. As mentioned, a Cadential 6/4 is usually found at the end of a phrase and is most effective when used sparingly because of the strong pull to the tonic. Here's an example of a section of music that will play twice, but the second time will end with a Cadential 6/4. And that's it. A Cadential 6/4 is a useful tool to keep handy in instances where you need a strong pull back to your tonic chord. I hope this video helps you in your songwriting process, and thank you for watching.